stars so brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long may the world instead and terrifying, till he appeared and the soul felt worth. Blessed the hope, the weary world rejoices. Joy unto praise, and the way more is wrong. On your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night, oh, night divine, oh, 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 oh. Led by the light, let serenely lead me, with glowing hearts by his cradle and spare. Long may the world of a star sweetly gleaming. Here come the wise men from Orient land. A fell of hope, the weary world beams all its sense. For yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. So on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, yeah, when Christ was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night, oh, light divine. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So led by light of a star sweetly gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient land. Oh, thou King of Kings, lay us in all we named. In all our shrines born to be our friend. He knows I need to our weakness most stranger. Behold your King, before him rolling bed. Behold your King before him there. Truly he taught us to love one another. His law is love, and his gospel is peace. Sin shall he break, for the slave is our brother. And in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy and grateful chords raise we. Let all within us praise his holy name. Oh, Christ is the Lord, been ever, ever, ever praise we. His power and glory evermore proclaim. Oh, his power and glory evermore proclaim. Oh, on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Here his power and glory evermore proclaim. Oh, 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 on your knees, so hear the angel